Today we are going to learn about mastering SHAP values for model interpretability. We'll explore how to use SHAP values to explain machine learning models, enhance transparency, and effectively interpret complex models. Welcome to our journey into mastering SHAP values for model interpretability. SHAP, which stands for Shapley Additive Explanations, is a game-changing tool in the world of machine learning. Its significance lies in its ability to explain the output of any machine learning model by assigning each feature an importance value for a particular prediction. This transparency is crucial for building trust in AI systems, as it allows stakeholders to understand how models arrive at specific decisions. Whether you're working with simple linear models or complex neural networks, SHAP values provide a standardized approach to interpretability, making complex predictions understandable and actionable. Understanding the significance of SHAP values begins with recognizing their role in model transparency. In an era where AI models are increasingly used in sensitive applications, ensuring the interpretability of these models is paramount. SHAP values provide a clear explanation by attributing each feature's contribution to the prediction, thus making the model's decision-making process transparent. This is not only beneficial for debugging models but is also essential for regulatory compliance, particularly in sectors like finance and healthcare. By providing a consistent method for interpretability, SHAP values enhance stakeholder trust, allowing users to confidently deploy AI solutions. They serve as a bridge between complex machine learning algorithms and human understanding, ensuring that AI systems remain accountable and trustworthy.
Before diving into SHAP analysis, setting up the right Python environment is crucial. Start by ensuring your system has Python installed, preferably version 3.6 or higher. The next step is to install necessary libraries such as SHAP, NumPy, and Pandas using pip. Compatibility with machine learning frameworks like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch is essential, as SHAP integrates seamlessly with these tools. Utilizing Jupyter Notebook can greatly enhance your workflow, providing an interactive platform for running SHAP analyses and visualizations. Don't forget to prepare your datasets, ensuring they are clean and structured, as SHAP relies heavily on data quality to provide accurate interpretations. This setup forms the backbone of your SHAP analysis, enabling you to move forward with confidence.
Now that your environment is ready, let's compute SHAP values. Begin by selecting a trained machine learning model. SHAP works with various models, including tree-based models, linear models, and neural networks. Use SHAP's explainer, such as tree explainer or kernel explainer, based on your model type. The next step involves computing SHAP values using the explainer SHAP_values method. The output is a set of values indicating each feature's contribution to the prediction. It's vital to understand this output, as it forms the basis of interpretability. SHAP values can be integrated into your existing workflows, providing insights that enhance model transparency and decision-making. This step-by-step approach equips you with the knowledge to effectively compute SHAP values, paving the way for deeper model insights.
Visualization is a powerful tool for interpreting SHAP values. It transforms complex numerical outputs into intuitive graphics, enhancing our understanding of model predictions. There are several types of SHAP plots, each serving a unique purpose. Summary plots provide an overview of feature importance across all predictions, while dependence plots reveal the relationship between specific features and model output. By interpreting these visualizations, you can gain insights into your model's behavior, identifying which features have the most significant impact. This empowers you to make informed decisions about model optimization and deployment, ensuring your AI solutions are both effective and transparent. Visualizing SHAP values is not just about aesthetics, it's about unlocking the full potential of your machine learning models. Interpreting SHAP plots involves understanding their components and the insights they provide. Each plot type, from summary to forced plots, offers a different perspective on feature contributions. Summary plots highlight feature importance and distribution, while forced plots break down individual predictions, showing how each feature contributes to the final decision. Waterfall plots provide a detailed breakdown of cumulative feature effects, useful for analyzing specific predictions. Identifying feature interactions is crucial, as they can reveal dependencies that might influence model behavior. By mastering SHAP plots, you can perform a comprehensive feature impact analysis, ensuring a robust understanding of your model's decision-making process. This knowledge is instrumental in refining models and enhancing their interpretability. Applying SHAP to different models requires understanding best practices tailored to each model type. For tree-based models, using tree explainer ensures computational efficiency, while kernel explainer is versatile for any model but may require more processing power. SHAP can guide model selection by comparing feature impacts across different algorithms, helping you choose the most interpretable model. For large datasets, sampling techniques can optimize SHAP's performance without compromising accuracy. Lastly, SHAP is a valuable tool for validating model assumptions, as it provides a clear view of feature contributions, allowing you to adjust models accordingly. By following these best practices, you can harness the full potential of SHAP across various machine learning models, enhancing both interpretability and performance.
Despite its benefits, SHAP interpretation can present challenges. One common issue is handling model complexity, particularly with deep learning models, where SHAP values may be difficult to compute. Correlated features can also skew interpretations, as SHAP values are sensitive to feature dependencies. Overcoming computational limits is crucial, especially for large datasets, as SHAP can be resource-intensive. Ensuring interpretation accuracy requires thorough validation, including cross-referencing SHAP insights with domain knowledge. Feature interactions pose another challenge, as they can obscure individual feature contributions. Addressing these challenges involves a combination of strategic model simplification, feature engineering, and leveraging SHAP's advanced plotting capabilities to provide a clearer picture of model behavior. By anticipating and mitigating these issues, you can ensure that SHAP serves as a reliable tool for model interpretability.
As we conclude our exploration of SHAP values, it's clear that they play a pivotal role in model interpretability. By making machine learning models transparent, SHAP not only builds trust but also facilitates more informed decision-making. We've covered the essentials of setting up your environment, computing and visualizing SHAP values, and interpreting their outputs. While challenges exist, such as computational demands and feature interactions, solutions are within reach through best practices and strategic analysis. As AI continues to evolve, mastering tools like SHAP will be crucial for future advancements in model interpretability, ensuring that AI systems remain transparent, accountable, and effective.